Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I want to thank you for joining me on the 12th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's theme is meditation for insomnia. You can practice this meditation laying down or in a seated position like I am, whichever you prefer. Hands down to your sides or in your lap. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes at this moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Once again, deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Last time, deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. I want you to bring your focus, your attention to your forehead. I want you to relax any tension that you may have there. Moving on to the back of your head. Release any tension that you may have there. Moving down to your neck. Release any tension that you might have in the front or the back of your neck. Moving down to your shoulders. Relaxing. Let them settle in your mattress if you're laying down. Moving down to your chest and your upper back. Release any tension that you have there. Moving down to your stomach and your lower back. Releasing any tension that you might have there. Moving to your biceps and triceps or your upper arms. Release any tension that you may have there. Sometimes we contract or we're tense in other areas as we try to release tension in other areas. That's normal. Just be mindful or aware of it. Moving down to our forearms. Making sure that those are relaxed and released of any tension. Moving down to our wrists, palms, the back of the hands and front of the hands. Releasing any tension that we might have in our fingers and thumbs. Traveling back now to our waist, our pelvic area. Releasing any tension that is in our pelvic area, our hips, tailbone. Making sure that we are not clenching our butts relaxing any tensions that you might have in your glutes or your butt. Try to sink deeper into the mattress if you're laying down. If you are sitting on the floor, try to settle more into your sit bones. Moving to our upper thighs, the front of our thighs, the back of our thighs, releasing any tension that might be there. Moving to the front of our knees and the back of our knees, making sure that we relax any tension that might be found there. Moving down to our calves and our shin bones, releasing any tension that might be found there as well. Moving down to our ankles, our instep and heels, all the way down to our toes. Bringing our awareness back to an inhale and an exhale through our nose. Trying to keep our breath at a natural speed. With every exhale, we sink deeper into our mattress or our floor mat. And it's okay for our attention to wander. We've covered this in the basics in day 1 and 2. It's natural for our attention to wander. We understand that. And when we become aware that our attention has wandered to something else, to a thought, we just gently bring it back without judgment. Even if it takes 100 times, we just always bring it back. I want to thank you again for allowing me to be a part of your daily meditation practice. Great job. If you have your eyes closed, if you're ready, go ahead and gently open them, or you can keep them closed and enjoy a good night's sleep. Have a great day.